It's true that the salaries of some soccer players can seem exorbitant, but the development of robots like ARTEMIS shows that even the sport of soccer is not immune to automation. With the ability to run, walk on uneven surfaces, and even perform somersaults, ARTEMIS is a remarkable achievement in robotics. Beyond soccer, its general-purpose design means that it could potentially be used in a variety of industries, such as warehousing and delivery. As technology continues to advance, we may see more robots like ARTEMIS replacing human workers in various fields. ASAP Watercraft's electric jetboards offer a thrilling new way to experience water activities. With impressive speed and battery life, these boards allow riders to explore further and reach new destinations on the water. The WaveJam 91 model, priced at nearly $6,000, offers riders 40 minutes of ride time on a single charge, with speeds of up to 16 km per hour. The boards are lightweight and offer 3 different speed settings to accommodate riders of different skill levels. While the boards are undoubtedly exciting, their high price point means they may not be accessible to everyone. However, for those willing to splurge, they offer a unique and unforgettable experience on the water. Clevon 1 is an exciting new development in the world of unmanned delivery vehicles. Not only can it carry up to 100 kilograms, but it's also easily adaptable to specific tasks, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to optimize their delivery process. The fact that it can drive on public roads is a major advantage, and its modular design allows for customization to fit specific needs. With a range of 80 kilometers on a single charge and a fast charging time, it's a practical solution for all year-round use. The successful tests in Belgium and entry into the North American market are clear signs of the vehicle's potential. Additionally, the suggestion to add a mode to follow other vehicles could open up even more possibilities for the Clevon 1. Dyson has been known for their innovative products such as hair dryers, vacuum cleaners, and air conditioning units. However, they have recently surprised many by introducing their Dyson Zone headphones. These headphones not only offer a premium music listening experience but also capture and filter air through a protective mask, offering protection against allergens, dust, and pollutants. With a long battery life of 50 hours in music-only mode and 4 hours in music plus filtration mode, and features such as active noise cancellation and ultra-low distortion, the Dyson Zone headphones are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. They are a great solution for people in areas with severe air pollution, like China, where they have already gained a foothold in the market. It is refreshing to see a company like Dyson using their technological prowess to tackle the issues of air pollution while still providing a product that is stylish and functional. The world is facing a severe problem of deforestation, and it is essential to take immediate actions to restore the forests. The e-Seed is a remarkable innovation in this regard, as it offers an efficient solution for the renewal of the lungs of the planet. The use of white oak wood in these seed carriers is not only environment friendly but also helps the seeds to stand upright and twist into the soil when moistened. This protects them from adverse weather conditions and animals. Moreover, the added advantage of housing sensors and applying fertilizers make it a perfect solution for aerial seeding using drones, especially in areas that are hard to reach, like after a forest fire. It is crucial to support such innovations to save our planet from further damage. Innovative advancements in robotic technology have been transforming various industries for years now. Recently, a U.S.-based company has introduced an unconventional solution to some of the challenges faced by engineers in creating robots that can handle delicate objects. They have developed a robot with tentacles instead of hands, claws, or other conventional tools. This robot, known as the Jellyfish Tentacle Robot, is equipped with hollow rubber tubes that are approximately 30 centimeters in length. These tubes have a thicker end and a thinner end. When pressure is applied, the tubes curl up, enabling the tentacles to grip and hold onto objects firmly. This mechanism allows the robot to handle even fragile items with ease. The potential applications of this technology are vast and varied. It can be used for a range of tasks, from sorting glassware to picking vegetables, and even for complex medical procedures. The Tentacle Robot's ability to handle delicate instruments with precision and accuracy is an impressive feat. Project Moab is a specialized robot that has been designed for AI researchers. Its main function is to hold a plate with a ball on it and learn to keep the ball from falling off. To achieve this goal, the robot requires the use of a programming language called Inkling, which has been specifically created for AI training. According to Microsoft's website, it only takes 15 minutes for the AI to learn how to hold the ball without dropping it. The creators of the robot have emphasized that it was made from scratch to demonstrate the intricacies of working with AI in real-world applications. The robot's performance is determined by its control method, which uses contest and evaluation against their own trained models. Furthermore, the Project Moab robot comes with open-source code and files that allow for 3D printing. This means that anyone with the necessary skills and equipment can recreate the robot or make modifications to suit their specific needs. In the fast-paced world of delivery services, vehicles play a crucial role in ensuring prompt and efficient delivery. However, traditional options such as cars or scooters have limitations such as traffic congestion and limited payload capacity. To address these challenges, a team of students from Taiwan has developed the Rhaetus-Electric, an innovative electric cargo track that combines compactness, ease of operation, and maneuverability. This electric cargo truck is designed to be versatile and efficient, with the ability to expand its front end to accommodate different types of cargo. For instance, 6 5-liter bottles of water can be easily loaded by expanding the front end of the vehicle. When it comes to delivering smaller items like a couple of hamburgers, the Rhaetus-Electric can transform into a motorcycle for quick and hassle-free delivery. The vehicle's width can also be reduced from 1 meter to just 65 centimeters, making it easy to navigate through narrow spaces and congested roads. The concept behind the Rhaetus-Electric may seem simple, but it has been recognized at the Design Talent Award, one of the most prestigious competitions for the international student community. Have you ever thought about feeling the music on your skin? The SOUNDSHIRT is a fascinating invention that made Time magazine's top 100 inventions of 2020. It might sound strange, but it's an incredible innovation that could revolutionize the way we experience music. The shirt captures the sound through a microphone and converts it into a digital signal, which is transmitted via Bluetooth to sensors on the shirt. The sensors on the SOUNDSHIRT vibrate to different parts of the body, depending on which instrument is being played. The low notes resonate in the lower part of the shirt, while the higher notes resonate in the upper part. This makes it possible for people with impaired hearing to enjoy a live performance of their favorite music, whether it's an opera or a rock concert. The Hamburg Symphony Orchestra tested the SOUNDSHIRT with classical music, and the results were incredible. It's also suitable for movies and games and could be a game changer for live performances. The Crow system covers the entire concert hall, and you can pre-order it for $1,800. In today's fast-paced world, people often find themselves juggling multiple tasks at once, and this is where technology comes in handy. The HiiDii Glasses are an example of such innovation that makes multitasking easier than ever. With these glasses, you can perform various functions like clicking, highlighting, and scrolling just by blinking or shaking your head, all while keeping your hands free. This device is also versatile as it works with various devices and operating systems, including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The device can even be customized with prescription lenses, making it accessible to all users. At a price point of $70, it's a small investment that can make a significant impact on daily productivity.